Hi there, it's me in another speaking practice of the days. In this speaking practice, we will be speaking about programming and the ideas. So, how you can bring life to your ideas with the programming. So, I will start reading the article of the day. So, let's begin. Knowing how to program is a fundamental skill to bring your ideas to life and create applications that solve real problems individually. Programming gives you the power to turn concepts into practical solutions. With programming knowledge, you can design and develop applications that adapt to your needs and the people around you. Knowing opening a world of possibilities for innovation and the materializations of your project. In this test was another word that I haven't pronounced, but I guess that I did my best. So let's go into speak about something important for me. It is build or make project or to code a project. In programming, or in the programming community, as I say, yeah, it's okay to say like this. In the programming community, there are a concept that we can call as build project for your portfolio. Okay, so this is when you learn a program or a programming language, you will going to need to build a project with this language if you want to know that you know that language. It's like a practical. It's like a test for your knowledge of this programming language. For example, if you know how to program or if you learn how to program in JavaScript, or C Sharp or Python or whatever language that you choose in the community programming, there are a rule that you need to build a project with this language. If you learned JavaScript, you need to build a project with JavaScript. If you learned Python, you can make a project with Python. So I will speak about I will speak about how do I build my project. Okay, the first thing that I do is the idea. For example, I have the idea to make an application web for to improve my English. But what do I need? So I need an application that can give me some information about some words that I don't know what is the meaning. So, some words that I don't know how to pronounce, that I don't know the meaning, that I don't know the history, I would like to have an application web where, where I can write some words and this application will give me some information about this word. So, this is the main idea of the project. But for to do this, I need some concept. I need some programming language, and I need to structure the project in a step by step or a to-do list. So the next step is to look what programming language or what tools I will need for to make this application web. In this case, I choose a programming language. I don't know, it's more like a framework or a library, but I choose React. React is a library for JavaScript. Don't don't mind about that. Just listen to me. I choose React. In React, I can do this really quickly. So we have two steps. we have the idea and the tools that I will use for to make this project. So, what do I need? I need to structure all of the all the things that I will be using while I am making this project. Okay, I stopped the audio for to do a little to-do list or list of my step by step for to make a project. So the first thing that I do in this structure of the project is to search or to do the US UI design. And I will explain you. The UX and UI design is how the app will look in the final. All the designs, all the image, all the colors, all of this stuff will be in this section in the US UI design. Then I will divide the project into section to program and to give the functionality to the app. This will took me like 2 or 3 days. In the bad case, 1 week or more than 1 week. It's a long time, a really long time. But the final step or one of the final step is to deploy the app. To deploy the app or the application web is to make the application web public that you on your PC can access to this web application. So, and another optional step is to share the app with others people. And if you wanna do, you can do it. But this is not the purpose of for this application web. But if I need to share, I will do this. I will do it. So another advice that I would like to do about to code project is to ask for help. So on programming community, we have a really bad problem with this one because all the programmers know how to do the thing by himself. For example, if I need to do something or to look an image, to edit an image, to do a video, to do an audio, to code something, a programmer will do by himself because this is his knowledge. But this is bad because this will take you more time. So when the thing is getting hard, or you will need to ask for help. And the best thing that you can do is to call with people, to call to Google, to call to ChatGPT. But the best thing is to call people. For example, for this application web, I will going to join into a community for people that would like to learn English because the application web will be about English. So I will be in a community of people that is learning English, and I will make some question about how how they would like to see in an application web for to help them to improve their English. So this is a best case or a best no, best no. This is a good case or a good example about how to ask for help for people. And connecting with the point before, you can share the web application when it's finished. So another thing that I would like to say is that this ability to code project and for to help people is not mm, the best. It's the best if you want to do something good for people. And something good is um you know you can we can talk about this one, but this is for another video. So if you know how to code a program, if you know how to code a project, if you know how to do a project to the idea to the final deployed or the final product, you are a person, mm, I don't know how to say, but you are something dangerous, you know, because if you wanna get into that term, go to YouTube and put the history of the dark web. This web was made for just one guy, and this guy know how to program a project. This was a really small project, and now this is one of the best market or black market of all the times. Believe me, if you are a programmer that you can build project, you are a dangerous people. You are no, a dangerous no. You are like people with a lot of power in your hands or in your computer. But you know what I mean. So this is the final of this audio. I would like to say that I feel like I am improving this my speaking skills, but I guess that I need to. What do I need? I need to think more and the thing that I will say it, you know, because I think a lot in the thing and I end saying something different that I would like to say, but you know, I will work I will work on it. So see you in the next video or audio. Bye.